How to make a rag rug. A fluffy rag rug can be a beautiful way to use up scrap fabric. Sometimes they're known as proddy or proggy mats. The materials you'll need are very simple. You'll need a large piece of hessian, plenty of scrap cotton fabric, a pair of scissors and a thick knitting needle. It's an ideal way to recycle old cotton bedding or t-shirts, but do try to stick to one type of fabric for your rug. Use a pen or chalk to mark out the shape of your rug on the hessian. Leave about 2 inches around the edges as a border. You may wish to seal the edges of the fabric using masking tape to prevent fraying as you work. I've marked a very simple wave design onto this rug, but you may wish to do random colours, a more complex design or even a picture. Cut your fabric into strips roughly 1.5 centimetres wide and 8 centimetres long. If your rug's big, you will need quite a lot of fabric. It can be quite relaxing to sit listening to an audiobook or watching a film as you cut it. When you're ready to begin creating your rug, you actually work from the back. Poke a hole in between the threads in the hessian using your knitting needle. And take the end of your scrap of fabric and push it through the hole. Then make a second hole in the hessian 2 threads along. And again, take the end of your fabric and push it through. If you turn over your rug, you take both ends and just give it a gentle tug so that it's firmly through. And by repeating that technique over and over again, you create your rug. To prevent distortion as you create your rug, insert the pieces of fabric so they're evenly spaced over the hessian. You then need to insert further fabric pieces to pack the spaces and create the tension that will hold the rug together. The purple pieces show the spacing required. The front of the rug looks very different to the back. You can see here how the colours and stripes are beginning to build up and it's nice and thick and cosy. Some people like to paint the back of their rug with PVA glue. They feel that this holds the pieces more securely and it may also be more non-slip, but this is optional. When you've completed your rug, you can fold over and hem the edges so that it's secure. Enjoy your finished rug!